Hello everyone, welcome to Technical. In this video, we will learn how to create a new Excel file. New Excel file. First click on Start menu button and click here to open Start menu. Now search for Microsoft Office. From this drop down, select this Excel program. It will open this window. Then click on Black Workbook. It will open a new workbook. This is the window of new Excel sheet. Start typing here in A1 cell like serial number. In second B1 cell you can write name, and in third column, third cell, you can write mark. Here suppose there are 3 students whose name are A, B, C, P, Q, R, X, Y, Z, and they got some marks like 50, 60 and like this 70. Now we must save this file before closing it. To save, click on File menu, then select this command save. It will ask as save as in a specific folder. Click here. Suppose we want to save this file on desktop. Here you can give the name of that file, my Excel file, and click on save button. Now you can close this file. On desktop it will create a file whose name is my Excel file. Now the alternate option for creating a new Excel file is just anywhere on the desktop, right click the mouse button and go for this new, then this last option, Microsoft Excel worksheet. It will create here the new Microsoft Excel worksheet on the desktop. You can rename this as my file and then enter. Now this file is created. To edit this file, you can double click on this icon. It will open my file. Now you can start typing here, and now there is no need to rename this file because name is already given to this file as my file.